You might be asking, what's a thumbnail? Or why is it important? Well, which one would you click on? You spend all this time crafting the perfect script or executing the perfect Facebook Live, and this is what your social chose to represent it? Don't judge a book by its cover? Well, I'm sorry, but with attention spans shorter than ever and so much content out there to consume, your thumbnail image matters. It's like a first impression. Okay, so let me break it down. Whether you're using YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, once your video is uploaded, it's going to select a preview thumbnail image. This is not a strategic choice, but rather a random one. And if your video is mostly you talking, chances are you're gonna end up with this really weird freeze frame that's not flattering. What you might not know is that you don't have to use the randomly selected thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the first preview of your video, so it should tell as much as possible. It should pique curiosity or evoke some sort of emotion. And there's a few ways you can go about doing this. If your video is about a dog rescue nonprofit, you might want a screen cap of a cute rescue pup rather than the director of the organization. If it's a product video, you should pick an eye-catching image of your product or a sweet action shot. However, if your product is more idea rather than object, such as services, education, coaching, you want to craft an intentional thumbnail. Choose a shot of you in a big smile or another attractive pose. Your face is the brand, so make it count. If you have a series of videos that all look really similar, I suggest adding some kind of graphic or text overlays to distinguish one from the other. Now you might be asking, how do I upload a custom thumbnail? Well, it's really simple and it's pretty similar across all platforms. Once your video is uploaded, you should see the randomly selected photo in the thumbnail category. In the same area, there should be a menu option to customize. This will allow you to either pick a different freeze frame from your video or upload your own. If you have the time, I strongly suggest uploading your own because you'll have the opportunity to brand it and the quality of the image is usually far superior than the random freeze frame. Another thing you should know is some platforms only allow you to do it when you're uploading the video and not after it's been posted. So for example, Instagram. Instagram is one where you cannot go in and change the thumbnail later. If you like what you heard, then don't leave without signing up for more quickie video tips, course content, and exclusive video coaching offers that will give you the confidence to do it on camera. Go to doitoncamera.com to sign up today.